In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a growing business or simply need a bit of help navigating this task, I'm here to guide you through each step so you can easily get your new team member up and running in your system. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. You can simply perform a quick Google search to find it. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Sign In button, which you'll usually find in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you're already logged into your account, that's great. We can keep moving. But if not, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. With your account open, take a look at the left-hand navigation bar. Here you'll see an option labeled Employees. Clicking on this will bring you to the section where you manage all employee-related tasks. This is the hub for adding and managing your team members, payroll, and other human resource essentials. On this page, you should see a button that says Add an Employee. Give that a click. It's your gateway to inputting the details of your new employee. Now, as you might expect, it's crucial to have all the necessary information at hand to ensure a smooth process. You'll start by typing in the employee's first name. Accuracy here matters, as the names entered will show up in various reports and paycheck information. Following the first name, you'll similarly enter the last name. Double-check your spelling to ensure everything is correct. Next up, you'll enter their email address. The email address is vital for communication purposes and ensures that your employee can receive important notifications and updates directly from QuickBooks if necessary. At this point, you've filled in the basic details of the new employee. It's time to finalize the process by clicking on the Add Employee button. After clicking, QuickBooks will process the information you've entered, and voila! Your new employee is now part of your QuickBooks Online management system. That's it. You've successfully added an employee to your QuickBooks account. Having these details updated in your system will simplify your payroll processing and help in keeping track of crucial employee information. Remember that it's key to keep the information accurate and current, as this facilitates smoother operations and helps prevent any discrepancies in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clearer and more approachable for you. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more practical tips and tutorials. See you next time.